Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and what you see in front of you is an Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. So as I stated before on my previous videos, that I'm going to start bringing y'all more tech reviews, and this is going to be the first one of 2020. So right now I'm going to give you a brief unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. Alright, so as you can see here, the Nike Apple Watch comes in a nice black box. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. So there's this tab right here on the side, as you can see right here, that you can just pull and it'll open it. So let's go ahead, pull this tab back. Boom, everything kind of just peels right off. Alright, so now that's the back of the box there. So let's go ahead, see what's on the back of the box. So the back of the box there just kind of tells you what type of watch you got. So like I said, this is a Series 5 Space Gray with aluminum case, 44 millimeters. And just kind of gives you some other Apple information there, serial numbers and all that. So let's go ahead and open this box. Looks like, pull these tabs, pull that tab in the back right there. Alright, do both sides. Pull this tab. Alright. Nice little package in there. Boom. Alright, so as you can see here, it just kind of gives you kind of what the face is going to look like. And let's go ahead. Nothing really in this box, but this box definitely feels sturdy. Lay this to the side. Pick this up here. It says designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So this is the Apple Watch. This is the sport watch. Let's see what's in here. This has some instructions, little how-tos. So we'll lay this off to the side. Alright, so now inside the box, got your charging brick. You got your charging cord here. And then you also have the Apple face, the Apple Watch face here. Right, so the face of the watch here is covered in some felt to protect it, I guess, in shipping. And it does feel good. Also, I guess if you want to keep this, you can keep it as kind of like a travel. If you travel with it out, you know, you can put this over it. So you can protect the face of your watch, protect your investment. So that's pretty cool. So underneath that, looks like we have the band that it comes with. So that's the box for the band, as you can see right there. Kind of that space gray. And I think that is going to be it for the box. So we'll lay the box off to the side. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the Apple Watch face here. And then we have the band as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the watch band open and get the watch turned on. Okay, so to open the watch band box, you just kind of want to see this little green tab here. Kind of want to pull it down and then pull it straight down, and it looks like then that will slide wide open, and then we can just kind of slide this right out. So looks like got some package in there. Apple Watch, Nike, gives you some instructions on how to put it on if you don't know how to put it on. So inside of the band watch, you have two different size bands depending on the size of your wrist. So right here we have a band that is meant for small and medium wrists, and then the band that is meant for medium and large size wrists. I'm gonna be rocking the medium and large size band because I have a bigger wrist. I'm a bigger guy than most, so I'm gonna be rocking that one. All right, now that we have our band and we have our watch face here, let's go ahead and put this combination together and see what it looks like. All right, so I got the bands on the face, and this is one of the reasons why you buy the Nike edition versus the regular Apple Watch is you get these nice bands here. They're airy, they look nice, they look different, and they differentiate you from everyone else that has a regular Apple Watch. Also, you get the different faces and different backgrounds with the Nike, and you get the integrated Nike app, which is only for the Nike edition Apple Watches. So as you see right here, it has low battery to continue connect Apple Watch to its charger. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this up a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so while the Apple Watch is charging, it's telling me right now it wants to pair with my phone. So what I'm gonna do now while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the pairing process. All right, so I'm bringing my 10S Max close to it, and boom, as you see right there, it recognized my Apple Watch. It says use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Hit continue, and it's doing says restoring. So we'll see what's going on here. All right, so now on my phone, it's telling me to put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. So I'm gonna do this right here. As you see them. All right, so it looks like your Apple Watch is now paired. So pretty cool. And then it says set up Apple Watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all this stuff up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I have my watch synced up with my phone, and one thing that you can see here on the screen of my phone, it has James's watch. It has the James Apple Watch. It tells you what size it is. It also tells you the faces you have available to you. You can go through your settings, your activity. You can go through everything, even the apps and everything on your phone. So if you don't want to deal with the small screen on the watch, you can go through everything on your phone, which is pretty cool. You know, if you want to change your faces up, as you see here, there's tons of faces, tons of templates. I think you even can download some, and then you can change your dock settings, your general settings, display settings, passcode, you know, everything. So the fact that you can do it all from your phone is pretty cool. All right, so this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. This is the large size band, and as you can see here, I have the little pin right here in the very last nodule. So if my wrist gets any bigger, I might have to get a custom band or see if they have any larger bands than this, because I am in the last nodule here. But it does fit. It does feel comfortable. It doesn't feel like I will break it or anything like that. So it is a comfortable fit. This material that it's made out of here is very comfortable and does have these holes here, so you can get some air in there, so it won't have any like weird smells or anything. You can get some air in there, so that's one good thing about it. And it does feel snug. And I like how the face, this always on display from the Apple Series 5, is a nice feature as well. Because in the previous models, you had to touch it or do something to do the little wrist twist action to make the display come on, but this one has always on display, so that's pretty cool. All right, everyone, so that is the Apple Watch Nike Edition Series 5 unboxing. I'm gonna be rocking this for about a week, trying out all the features, trying out everything, and then coming back next Tuesday with my full review after wearing it for a week. Today, like I said, I just want to give you a quick unboxing, let you know how it is to set it up, and also showing you everything that's in the box and my first impressions of it. So first impressions, definitely is clean. The finish is A1, which is what I expect from Apple and Apple products. So I'm gonna go ahead and rock this for a week, and I'll be back with you next week to give you my full review, impressions, and thoughts on everything. All right, so appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.